What's up, you guys? If you are having an issue where the nut fell off in your seat and you can't thread it to anything down there, instead of trying some long drawn out attempt to go ahead and fix that, I found a cheaper, faster, easier solution. It's only going to cost you about $10, and all it is a helicoil. I believe this is the 1.5 size. It's basically self-tapping, if you will. It goes ahead and will thread into the hole that you guys see right in there. And yeah, your seat will stay sat. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so I literally went ahead and began to self-screw this on, but then I used a bench vise to pinch the sides of this thing and then continue to screw it on. This size bolt is a 13, I believe. Oh no, a 14, I misspoke. You see it right there if my camera ever focuses. But yeah, use a 14, that vise, and then you screw it all the way down as far as you can. I got a little extra space right here in between these first two threadings because the first time I tried it, it was on there, but it was still a little loose at the top. So now that we're fully maxed out, I'm gonna go ahead and just insert it, screw it till it's finger tight, slap it a few times with that 14, and you should be good to go. That's tight already, but hit it a few times with this guy, and you are good to go. Like, share, comment, subscribe if this helped you out. Make sure to follow us and catch us on the next one.